Hello, today we learn how to use the Gemini Vision function in the AI Assist for Gemini in Google Sheets and Docs add-on. So, first of all, let's see the documentation for it. So, the documentation can be found at geminiforwork.com, and there you can see the Gemini Vision function is there. So, the Gemini Vision function, basically you can ask the AI any question about any given image, or ask for a description of it, or do any task related to that image. So the syntax is that you use the Gemini Vision function, you send a prompt, and you give a image URL to the Gemini Vision function. And you can also set the temperature, which is optional. Okay. So let's start with uh, any image URL. So this is a image. Say this is an I got this image from Amazon.com. This is a product on Amazon. So let's give the let's try it with Gemini Vision, and we ask the AI like, what is the intended audience for this product, and we also ask like what can be improved in the image to make it more appealing to buyers, and we give the image URL and we press enter. So the AI will basically look at this image and will give us the answers to the question that we asked. So the AI gave us the answer that the intended audience for this product is people who cook, and the image could be improved by showing a wider variety of vegetables being cut and by showing the product in use. So the first part is basically good. Second part maybe needs some improvement. So uh, okay, let's remove this, and we let us ask. For example, there's a use case that we sell products on Amazon or any other e-commerce websites, and we want to create a product title for our product, for our image. So we can ask the AI to give us a good product title. So here's a prompt that we can use. Okay, and we give the image. So the prompt is like, act as an e-commerce merchandising expert and create a product title for this image, and we give the URL. Okay. So the response, the title of the product could be something like all-in-one vegetable chopper, dicer, and slicer with 12 plates for fast and easy food preparation. Quite apt title for this. Okay. Similarly, we can ask for a product description. Let's say. So just what we'll do is we'll copy this prompt and create a product description for this image. The image is A2. Okay. So the product description, as you can see, uh, quite a big description. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen chopping and dicing vegetables? So this is a product description given by the AI, which has a lot of good keywords for SEO, for e-commerce SEO, and can be directly put in Amazon or any other e-commerce platform that you're trying to sell this product. So let's do it with a few other images. So, okay, so I've got these images. These are also some product images from Amazon, and we'll do the same thing. We'll just copy the formula. So the same prompt, but for different images. Okay, electric milk frother, handheld milk foam of a coffee. So this is for this frother. Good uh, title, and a detailed description also is there. Okay, with bullet points and everything, features, benefits, order your milk boss today. So really good description. We can have uh, you know sort of a complex prompt. Let's say we do this. Okay, so this is also a very good description for a green pan fry pan set. This is the one. Okay, three pieces of fry pan, and it's three-piece fry pans set. 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, dishwasher safe, and everything. Let's try another prompt, and this is basically I'm asking the AI to give us more, to give us a detailed description, and we get the image URL. Okay, as you can see now, it's given more of a coherent and easy to understand sort of thing, more like a natural language data. So we can, as long as we give the correct prompt, try to give the correct prompt to the AI, it should give us a good response. We can have a lot of use cases for this. For example, we we can there's another prompt that we can use, and this will basically, what I'm asking, give me a homepage content for this product. So let's say we are trying to create a website for this particular product, and we want a homepage content. So it's given me an HTML response for the homepage, basic response, but still very good. So this is how the Gemini Vision function, can be used within this add-on. Let me know what other use cases you have and what type of features that you would like us to develop in this add-on. Thank you.